অষ্টম বিশ্ব বঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন 2025 শুরু হলো জাঁকজমকপূর্ণভাবে। শিল্পপতি মুকেশ আম্বানি, সজ্জন জিন্দাল সহ দেশ বিদেশের নানা শিল্পপতি এবং প্রতিনিধিরা উপস্থিত ছিলেন সেখানে। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী এদিন ঘোষণা করেন পশ্চিমবঙ্গের রাজ্য স্তরে শিল্প সমন্বয় কমিটি গঠন করা হবে। সেই কমিটির নেতৃত্ব দেবেন মুখ্য সচিব। এদিন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের ভূয়সী প্রশংসা করেন শিল্পপতিরা। বাংলায় বিনিয়োগের পরিমাণ দ্বিগুণ করার প্রতিশ্রুতি দিলেন বিশ্বের অন্যতম ধনকুবের শিল্পপতি মুকেশ আম্বানি। বুধবার বঙ্গ বিশ্ব বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনে বাংলার মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের অতিথি হিসেবে মঞ্চে দাঁড়িয়ে বিনিয়োগের পরিমাণ দ্বিগুণ করার কথা জানালেন মুকেশ। সেই সঙ্গে জানিয়ে দিলেন বাংলায় তার কোম্পানি 50,000 কোটি টাকা বিনিয়োগ করতে চলেছে আগামী দিনে।
आई एम थैंकफुल टू हेमंत जी एंड कल्पना जी, आप लोगों ने प्रेजेंट हुए हैं, ये हमारा गौरव का बात है। भूटान का मिनिस्टर भी है, बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। माय फेवरेट मुकेश जी, आई सेड मुकेश जी had said everything. Nothing is left out for me. From Rabindranath Tagore to Vivekanand to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Kalighat Temple to Vishnupuri Baluchari Shari to Murshidabad Silk, from Digha Land Port to everything he covered. And in next future, he assured us that Calcutta will be the gateway and it will be the main business of Jio. From Calcutta, it will connect throughout the world. India takes it. I have nothing to say. I must salute to you and your family for this gesture. You love us too much. We also love Mumbai. We also love Gujarat, Punjab, Jharkhand, Odisha, Rajasthan, every state we love, because it is Rabindranath Tagore, it is our national anthem, where it is quoted that Punjab o Sindhu, Gujarat o Maratha, Dravida Utkala Bongo. Everybody we respect Gandhiji. Though he is from Gujarat, but he spent most of his life in Bengal, in our freedom movement. Yes. Sajjanji, thank you so much. You along with Parth. We are so lucky that you are doing too much for Bengal. And this Ondal airport you mentioned about Durgapur, and also power plant in Shalboni, excellent. I must congratulate all the ambassadors, head of the missions. We have to remember that. And once the Bengal was a capital of India before independence, and that time Bihar, Bengal, Odisha, all we were together. So it was very big. We are really honored by the overwhelming global response for BGBS this year. Now, from 40 countries, can you imagine? All the friends are here. 25 ambassador and head of the commissions are here. I salute to all of you and your countrymen. These business summits, some people ask, why this business summit? I said, we started, but now every state is doing it. What is wrong? What is wrong? We have to encourage our young generation, student, our future generation to invest more and more and to create the employment. Without employment, our young generation cannot survive. And for them, we have to go ahead.
Most respected Chief Minister Mamta Didi, respected Chief Minister Hemant Soren ji of Jharkhand, honorable ministers of the West Bengal government, esteemed dignitaries, my dear friends from industry, Shri Sanjeev Goenka, Harsh Nevotia, Sajan Jindal, Sanjeev Puri, and all my colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm good afternoon to each and every one of you. It has been my privilege and honor to participate in the 8th Bengal Global Summit 2025. At the outset, I offer my prayers to Ma Kali, the presiding deity of Bengal. It is also my bounden duty to pay tributes to all the great sons and daughters of the sacred land of Bengal, from Swami Vivekanand to Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore, from Bankim Chandra Chatterjee to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, from Satyajit Ray to Hemanta Mukherjee. Bengal has produced towering leaders in spirituality, literature, arts, culture, and of course, patriotism. Bengal has always been a land of renaissance.
Honorable Chief Minister Mamta Didi, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Hemant Sorenji, it's the first time I'm seeing you in person, your wife, Sri Mukesh Ambani ji, my very dear Sri Sajan ji, Sri Sanjeev Goenka, Harsh, captains of industries, ambassadors, ministers, media, ladies and gentlemen, and Parth Jindal. You know, my speech will be incomplete if I don't mention Parth's name. I take this opportunity to thank Honorable Chief Minister for inviting me here every year. You know, I ask her that, you know, what role do I have in being a part of a Bengal Business Summit? But she says, you know, wherever you are, whichever part of the world you are, you must come and be a part of this. I know that this is very close to our heart, and every year when I come back, I see the grandeur and the scale becoming bigger and bigger.
ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, লটারি সংবাদ।